Okay, so guys, you can see from this angle that I have $10 here, $10 here, $10, and continuous, right? Okay, now what did I do? What you have to do is simple. Yeah, take the link in the description and click on the first link. Use my referral code. Okay, and then if you get this balance, this is the balance you're supposed to get so that you can cash out. But you could see that I cash out $10. This is my current balance. This is the minimum payout. Yeah, all these ones is in the detail when you take the link and you use my referral code. Now let me go and show you what exactly I do before I cash out. This is my duty today. I need to click on this 4 cent. Yeah, if you can see, I'm clicking on it right now. If I click on it, this is my assignment. Just click on it and then I make 1 cent. Okay, just click on it and I make 1 cent. Go back just like that and you can check my balance. Okay, check my overview account. Okay, you can see my overview account from 52 I'm going to 53 by clicking on the next ad, which is very simple. You can also do it at your leisure hours. Okay, you can see over here that I've clicked on this ad and it's open. Once it's open, I close it, and when I check my account overview, you will notice that I've gone to 53. Right, simple as that. Just this, and I'm making 1 cent. And if I click as much as possible, then I will make $10 and cash it out. This is exactly how Starcliks works. Okay, so this is the last ad that I'm clicking for you to see how much balance I will be having in my account. So let's go to account overview, and I've got 55 just in front of you right now. 55, that's what I've gotten. Okay, so guys, take the link in the description and follow the instruction. Don't forget to read all the instructions that needed and cash out to your money. Very easy. That's it. You're cashing out $10. This is the lazy work that I've got. Okay, 4 cent, 4 cent, 4 cent. This is the lazy ones. Yeah, now I'm too busy to get to work on this app. So yeah, that's it. Simple app that pays me good money. Okay, I don't know how much $10 worth in your end, but for me, yeah, I'm using it to pay for basic things, which is side issue income. Right, see you inside in my next video.